I'm going to teach you how to set up Notion and use it effectively, plus get a free template to start fast. We'll move from a blank workspace to a clean, reusable setup so you can focus on your ideas instead of tinkering with tools. Start by opening Notion, so in your browser and logging in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the plus New Page button. This creates a fresh page where all your content will live. At the top, you'll see the word Untitled. Click that and give your page a clear name so it's easy to find later. On the right side of the new page, click Templates to browse free pre-made options. Templates are a huge time saver and give you a professional structure right away. When you find one that fits your needs, select it and click Use this template. Notion will instantly load a ready-to-edit layout. Now click anywhere on the page to start editing text or adding content. Notion is built on blocks. Each paragraph, heading, image, or table is a block you can customize. Type // to open the block menu and you'll see options like heading, list, table, image, or divider. Use headings to create clear sections, lists for tasks or ideas, tables for structured data, images to add context, and dividers to separate sections visually. If you want to reorganize, hover to the left of any block to reveal the 6-dot handle. Drag that handle to move the block up or down. This makes it easy to refine your layout as your content grows. To keep your workspace tidy, create subpages inside your main page. In the sidebar, click plus Add a page. Subpages are perfect for grouping related topics, projects, or meeting notes under one hub so you don't lose track of anything. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share at the top right. Here you can invite team members or switch the page to private if it's just for you. You control exactly who can view or edit the content. For general preferences and workspace controls, explore Settings and Members in the bottom left sidebar. This is where you manage workspace details and personal settings, so Notion feels just right. Finally, if you want to reuse your setup, save it as a template. Click the 3 dots at the top right and choose Duplicate. This creates a copy you can use again, so you don't have to rebuild your layout from scratch. You're ready to use Notion like a pro. Use the free template to get started and subscribe for more tutorials.